ṣé ó bá wọn ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan ni?
Mo bá wọn sílẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn náà mọ̀ ṣe ẹgbẹ́ lè ṣe. Ilé tí wọ́n ṣe yan nítumọ̀. Pàápàá lórí fóònù mi, wọ́n tó wá di gbọ́dọ̀ lórí fóònù mi.
Alright, hi, my name is Amos Kester Ibiwe. I'm an animal scientist. By that I mean I studied animal production, and I'm also a member of the Nigerian Institute of Animal Science. I'm here in Akure, the state capital of Ondo State. This is my maiden project here in Ondo State. The farm you've seen just now is what I'm here for. This has been put up for quite a while now, so today we are actually doing the stocking. Now, I'm actually making this video to inform the general public that I'll be coming up with the training by the end of this month on WhatsApp. So if you're interested, if you're in Nigeria, you're outside Nigeria, you're in Asia, you're in America, wherever you are, you can be a part of this training. It's my way of reaching out to people outside the country and beyond. So you can partake in the training. One of the training materials, of course, is my book, which was just published recently. That's one of the materials I'll be giving away for the training. So I'll be giving lectures twice on the WhatsApp group every week in order to update people on the modern techniques of snail farming. So if you're not okay with the WhatsApp training, you can as well reach me on my number, which I'm going to leave at the end of this video. If you want me to come down to set up and also do a training for you, that can be arranged. And if you just want the training alone, of course I can't come down to train one person. So if you can get 50 persons that are willing to pay 5,000 naira each, I can come down to whichever state you are and also do that training for you. The training will be in two categories. One will be a PowerPoint slide training in a closed confined environment with projector. The second part is going to be on a farm like this. After the 1 hour PowerPoint training, I'll take the trainees to a farm, especially if it's a state where I have a farm. I have farms in about 19 states now, so if you happen to fall into one of those states, I can come around and do the PowerPoint training and also take you guys to the farm for another 2 hours practical training. So all you have to do is, if you want a practical training, get at least 50 persons that are willing to pay 5,000 each, and I'll be there to do the training. So this is just my way of empowering the society, as well as also bringing up youths who may not have what to do. So this package is actually geared towards empowerment of youths and also for small scale farmers, in order to be able to know what to do and at what time. You may be a pastor, talk about snail farming, or tell your audience about Kester. You might be a barrister, you might be a doctor, whatever position you are holding in any society or any group you are, tell them about Kester. Not just any Kester. There are a lot of Kesters, but of course, Kester the snail farmer. So you tell them about me. I can come down to do the training for them and also tell them how to start their own farm. Like I said, I'm in Akure right now doing what I do best. This is a farm I just put up. And what do? I do setup of farms and train people on how to manage the farms. Any kind of livestock, poultry farming, grass cutter production, rabbit production, snail production, pig production, and all of that. So we can come down and train you people practically and theoretically in one session or two sessions. So that can be arranged. So the number to reach us is +2348068525032. And don't forget, the WhatsApp training is going to start in 10 days time. Today is 20th of June 2019. The training is going to start 30th of June 2019. So you have 10 days between now and 10 days to reach us on that phone number and also get connected. On the group, you have the opportunity of meeting farmers with different experiences, what they are going through on their farm. So you can also learn through that process. So all you have to do is give me a call and we discuss on how to get you on the group. The fee is low compared to the knowledge you're going to acquire on the group. So don't worry about how much you're going to pay. All you have to do is give me a call and we'll talk about all of these details. So once again, I'm going to say thank you for following my YouTube channel. Without you, my channel would be nothing. So I appreciate all of you for all your comments and everything. So God bless you and bye bye.